Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to enable closed captions on YouTube TV. Whether you need them for accessibility, or just prefer to follow along with subtitles, it's a really simple process. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. Okay, let's get started. I'll show you how to turn on closed captions both on your TV and on your mobile devices. First, let's look at enabling them on your TV. Visual, show YouTube TV interface on a TV screen. 1. Start by launching YouTube TV on your television. 2. Next, select the program or live channel you want to watch. 3. Once the video starts playing, navigate to the settings. This is usually represented by a three-dot icon or a gear icon, often located in the bottom right corner of the screen. You might need to move your cursor or use your remote to make the controls visible. 4. Click on the settings icon. 5. In the settings menu, you should see an option for CC or subtitles/CC. Select this option. 6. A menu will appear allowing you to choose your caption settings. You can usually toggle captions on or off. Some services will offer different language options if they are available. 7. Select On to enable the captions. The captions should appear on your screen almost immediately. 8. You can usually customize the appearance of the captions as well, such as the font size, color, and background. These settings are usually found in the same CC or subtitles menu. Feel free to play around with these to find what works best for you. Now, let's enable closed captions on your mobile device. Visual, show YouTube TV interface on a mobile device screen, Android or iOS. 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. 2. Select the program you wish to watch. 3. Once the video starts playing, tap the screen to reveal the video controls. 4. Look for the three-dot icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of the video player. Tap on it. 5. From the menu that appears, select CC or Captions. 6. Choose your preferred language if multiple options are available, or simply select On to enable captions. 7. The captions will now appear on the screen. 8. Just like on your TV, you can often customize the caption appearance in the settings menu. This allows you to adjust the font, size, and background color to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully enabled closed captions on YouTube TV, both on your TV and your mobile device. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.